Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you a very natural skin brightening scrub. As you know, summer is just at the corner, so we have to prepare our skin. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll get a bowl and come in with some white sugar. I'm using about 400 grams of sugar. Next, I'll come in with some turmeric powder. I'll be using about 2 tablespoonfuls. I'll come in with 1 tablespoonful of virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoonfuls of fresh lemon juice, my favorite moisturizing skin lotion. I'll use just about 50 grams. Finally, I will come in with a tablespoonful of honey. I'll come in with my mixer and whip everything up. Afterwards, I will just spray in a little bit of my natural vanilla body spray. I must say this is optional. I just love the vanilla smell. That is why I had to do this. If you don't have it, it's no problem. You can do without it. So after whipping for a minute or two, this is what we have here. I will transfer it into a little container. This can be kept in your bathroom cabinet. So this is how to use it. You just take a little amount and rub it on your body. Do this in a circular motion. You don't have to be rough, you have to be gentle. Your hydration lotion over there will prevent your skin from drying out. The sugar is going to help with the exfoliation, and as you know, turmeric is known for its natural brightening properties. I must say the turmeric stains, so after you're done scrubbing, you can just wash it off with a very gentle and mild soap. For best results, you can do this 3 times in a week. This will help get rid of hyperpigmentation, suntan, acne marks, age spots, and the imperfections on your skin. So I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.